Ito na mga boss, Mayotrade. Very exciting to guys. Let's check this amazing platform that you can trade easily crypto and forex. Let's go! So yan na mga boss, no? So merong investment platform dito na pwede kayo mag-invest, no? So silver, ayan. Yun yung pwede nyo makuha guys, $50 to $10,000. Guys, sobrang big deal nito, up to 1.4 daily profit for 125 days. So guys, yun yung daily ROI. Minimum deposit $50 lang guys, maximum deposit $10,000. Meron pang commission guys, no? 10%, binary commission 10%, total returns 275%, capping limit $2,000 and 100% principal returns. Meron din gold guys, no? So ito naman $10,000 to $50,000 and up to 1.8 daily profit. So deposit mo lang dyan $10,000 guys. So medyo may kamahalan na tong gold na to, no? And also yung diamond, so up to $100,000 in deposit, pero 2 per 3% daily. So dito tayo guys, no, sa silver. Lahat ng mga makakapasok sa atin kadalasan dito, unless talaga marami kang pera, pwede mo na may pasok ng gold, pero siyempre mas maganda mag-alamin mo muna, no? So you can register here. I will link it on the description below. Once you start registering guys, pag nakapag-register ka na, you can check the company itself, no? Makikita mo lahat yan, docs, devs, and also the security, nandyan na lahat para makita ninyo about your legal things about the company. So it's very legit guys, no? So of course mag-dior muna kayo, nasa inyo pa rin yan, pero as you can see, this is the investment packages that you can choose, no? Para kumita ka ng daily ROI dito, no? So parang passive income siya, nagre-refer ka, pwede ka rin kumita dito guys by referring. So titingnan nyo, affiliate program, ayan, 10% referral bonus is there. Passive income siya guys, no? Magre-refer ka lang ng mga kilala mo na mag-invest dito, ayan. So meron ka na agad 10% binary income. So ayan guys, no, may left leg and may right leg. So grabe guys, super big opportunity to guys. You have to check this. It's very amazing. After you sign up, so for example you saw the latest news, you can sign up already. Ayan guys, you can also log in mga boss. Kapag nag-login na kayo, then you can start guys. Ito guys, so meron trading report dito, and you can also check the dashboard. Ayan, B3, makikita nyo guys. So super interesting guys. Ito yung purchase package natin. So meron tayo silver, no? So makita nyo yan dito sa reports, and a lot of reports here. Makikita nyo yung wallet report. Ayan, kapag bumili kayo guys, makikita nyo rin yung purchase package. So tayo $300 guys. So active yan guys, no? So abangan natin yung returns dito guys, no? Ayan, makita nyo rin yung marketing tools. Ayan. So guys, if you're interested, you can check this out right now. Use your referral link. So may left and right, mamili kayo dyan, o kaya link nyo yan sa mga kilala ninyo, para kapag nag-trade sila, nag-decide sila mag-trade dito, of course decision nyo pa rin yan, you can use this. You can also deposit here, no? So you can deposit Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Tron, and more, Ripple, Dogecoin, Binance, USD guys, no? So a lot of potential here guys. You can check Mayotrade, earn daily profit yan guys. So meron kang profit kaka-stake din dito, pwede rin, no? So a lot of opportunity here. May deposit fund, merong withdraw fund, ayan, meron din transfer fund. So okay, so guys, napakalupit nito. You can check this out. This is Danjo, the capital master, #1 NFT coach in the world. Have a nice day mga boss. This is Mayotrade.